Adversarial system. What does adversarial mean to you? From the name, adversary means enemy. So in the court of law, common law function like two enemies that actually come to court, where you have the plaintiff versus the defendant, or the prosecution versus the defense, or the claimant versus the respondent, depending on the court that you are, depending if it's civil court or criminal court. They have names. I have several videos where I've talked about the definition of these terms, right? So you know that at least from movies, you'll be able to tell that court of law is always between two people. So the two people might even have other people too, but majorly is that this one versus this one, right? But then we can have somebody that be like this one with this one versus this one, like that. But shall let's just make it in a layman's thing. So the adversarial system means that this person will be here, plaintiff, this person will be here, defendant, and then me, the judge, will then be in the middle. So that means that in common law, what is believed is this one will state their problem, the plaintiff, because now they bring case. You state your problem. Then this one will respond. Then this one will respond. Then the judge will now decide that, oh, you're at fault. Oh, you're not at fault. Oh, you should not have done this. So the judge is like a neutral, impartial referee. Our own is just to cross her hands and listening to two people talk, two people argue. You say, my lady, oh my lord, see what they did. Can you come? And then this one will say, I would like to rely on the principle of Supreme Court of this thing that says that the judge will write everything down. The judge will listen to this one. My lady, don't make the plaintiff. Me, I'm relying on the principle of. Then the judge will not go to her chambers or in her quiet and just think, okay, between these two people, who is the win? Who is losing? Who has the best argument? Something like that. So that's judges for you. They don't really step in to, their own is just like spectator. Oh yeah, talk, I'm listening, I'm writing. Then they will give their ruling. But in my case, there was one that I experienced that in my last hearing, that was the defendant, after seeking for an adjournment, was like wants to move an other application to dismiss my affidavit. At that point, I went blank. You see, at this point, it was the judge that stepped in for me. The judge was like, did you serve her? They said no. So the judge was like, so how do you expect her to respond? So it was the judge that I said, no, that's a violation of fair hearing. So that's what I'm saying, that the legal system is an hybrid one. Like, that's why I think the third one is hybrid one. You know that if the judge did not step in, at that point, like I said, I'm a medical student. I don't know whether they violate fair hearing. I don't know whether it's fair hearing or this thing. The only thing I know at that point, I shall know that trial by ambush. I don't even know say constitution they will go be trial by violation of fair hearing. You understand? So it was the judge at that point that stepped in for me. I mean, okay, right? You understand? So that's what they mean by adversarial system. So adversarial system also means that the judge acts as the passive person, right? Whereas the lawyers or the participants, they lead, they gather the evidence, they do the cross-examination. For example, like in common law, like I said, the judge will just sit down, cross her hand, and be writing what you say. So let's say the lawyer, maybe during cross-examination, will not be asking the witness, did you do this? Did you do that? The judge will not say anything. She will just to observe, just be writing. Okay, what did you say? Nothing concerning her with evidence. So it's the lawyer that will ask the leading question, the cross-examine this. I only just to write, go to our chambers and make a ruling. I hope you understand that. So if this video was helpful, give me a like, give me a share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for now. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.